hours ago in the national capital, the protest that has been going on for the last 3 weeks as far as the hunger strike of Sonam Wangchuk, there was an abrupt development where the Delhi police arrived at the site and covered the area, the stage mainly with white bedsheets, and quickly whisked away Sonam Wangchuk to the ambulance so that he was shifted to the hospital. Now, meanwhile, the police say that it was not an arbitrary or a coercive action as being condemned and called out by the opposition. They say that it happened on the directions of the Delhi High Court to see that medical facility and the treatment that is given out when it comes to the deteriorating health condition of the climate change activists. Now, meanwhile, Sonam Wangchuk, who has been on a hunger strike for the last 3 weeks, he was rushed to Delhi Safdarjung Hospital, and the medical team from the hospital says that also from AIIMS, as there is an independent doctor as a part of the team, saying that Sonam Wangchuk requires round-the-clock clinical monitoring. His vitals, however, are stable. His blood parameters are also marginally altered, and however, Sonam Wangchuk's wife, who is with him yesterday, however, called out for his immediate discharge, saying that without the consultation of the family, no step on any medical intervention should not be done on part of the said hospital. Let's connect with Nyamika on this. So, Nyamika, the health as far as of Sonam Wangchuk, that still continues to remain a concern. However, according to the medical bulletin, suggests that he is conscious and he is stable.
Well, yes, indeed. The latest bulletin has clearly mentioned that Sonam Wangchuk's vital parameters are stable at present. However, his blood parameters remain marginally altered, and also considering the psychological stress and the systematic effects of the prolonged fasting, he actually requires a continuous medical care under the very close supervision of a multidisciplinary team of experts. As it is also being stated very clearly in this particular bulletin that the treatment which the doctors are giving at the Safdarjung Hospital are of the considered opinion that the sustained medical intervention is required for Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, and in fact the round-the-clock clinical monitoring is also very much essential to promptly detect and manage the potential complications that may arise despite of his currently stable condition. However, we have also seen that how his wife had yesterday only asked for his immediate discharge, because we have seen that how there was also a continuous hunger strike which is currently going on, and tomorrow there is going to be a protest of CJP which is being named as Chalo Sansad. That is going to be done on the very first day of the monsoon session. So that is the only reason why they are also continuously questioning.
It is unclear if they have even applied for a permission to conduct that protest march, but however, when it comes to the protest that still continues at Jantar Mantar despite the police appeal coming in to vacate the area. Thank you, Nyamika, for that update, because we're going to talk about how this incident, which has triggered a political war of words as well. The opposition, however, late into coming out as far as in support for Sonam Wangchuk is concerned. They say that slamming the government move and the police's action. Now there is a leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, breaking his silence on the removal of Sonam Wangchuk from Delhi's Jantar Mantar, and he is called out to say that this only effectively shows the government that follows hinsa and asatya.
बहुत ही गलत तरीके से उठा लिया गया, उनका अनशन तोड़ने की कोशिश की गई है। सादे कपड़ों में पुलिस भेज के चारों तरफ से चादर से ढक के उनके साथियों के साथ बदसलूकी बदतमीजी करके धक्के मुक्के मार के उन्हें उठा के अस्पताल में भर्ती करा दिया गया। गांधी जी ने कितने लंबे लंबे फास्ट किए थे, ऐसे तो अंग्रेज भी नहीं करते थे। क्या इसी के लिए हमने आजादी ली थी कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब हमारी सरकार हम लोगों के साथ इस तरह से बदसलूकी करेगी? मैं मोदी जी से कहना चाहता हूं कि ये बच्चे क्या मांग रहे हैं, ये हमारे देश के बच्चे हैं, इनके साथ इस तरह की बदसलूकी करना सही नहीं है।
बच्चे मर गए, आत्महत्याएं कर ली बच्चों ने, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। प्रधानमंत्री शिक्षा मंत्री की पीठ थपथपा रहे, और कितनी मौतों के बाद प्रधानमंत्री जी शिक्षा मंत्री का इस्तीफा लेंगे? दुखद है, बहुत दुखद है।
ये मैं समझता हूँ सरकार की बहुत गलत नीति है कि जो व्यक्ति इतने दिनों से, लगभग 20 दिन से सोनम वांगचुक जी अन्न को त्यागे हुए हैं, भूख हड़ताल कर रहे थे, किस मुद्दे को लेकर कर रहे थे? नौजवानों के भविष्य को लेकर, और शिक्षा मंत्री का इस्तीफा मांगते थे। सरकार ने कोई संवाद नहीं किया, कोई चर्चा नहीं करी, कोई संज्ञान नहीं लिया। अब जब पूरे देश का प्रभाव पड़ रहा है और दबाव बढ़ना था, तो अब उनको जबरदस्ती उठाकर अस्पताल ले जाया गया है, सिर्फ इस बात से बचने के लिए कि सरकार की जवाबदेही तय ना हो। इस तरह जबरदस्ती उनको उठाकर अस्पताल ले जाना कहीं ना कहीं दिखता है कि सरकार बहुत दबाव में है।
सोनम वांगचुक को जबरदस्ती उठा दिया। अभी डिप्टी जी बैठे हैं और बहुत लोग बैठेंगे भूख हड़ताल पर। ये सरकार की तानाशाही रुख को बर्दाश्त नहीं की जा सकती है। जवाबदेही का सिद्धांत है, उसको लागू करना पड़ेगा और एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को तुरंत पद से हटाना पड़ेगा।
Now let's talk about how the BJP has going on record to say that Sonam Wangchuk's preliminary medical reports are now in public, and however importantly it records that the medical examination was conducted with his consent. So BJP's Amit Malviya is questioning what exactly is this outrage all about, and he is asked would the opposition would have preferred that his condition worsens merely to sustain a political spectacle, and ensure timely medical care in a situation like this is the responsible action and not for a manufactured controversy or a manufactured protest that is now being called out on part of the BJP. Now let's move on. Breaking update coming in where the UBD faction of the Shiv Sena has also called a protest in support of Sonam Wangchuk, and it is being said that this protest will be taking place today in Mumbai at around 4 p.m. in Dadar. So this protest that has now been called in support for Sonam Wangchuk, and now that the political parties in the opposition have now come out to extend their support to Sonam Wangchuk, as UBD faction of the Shiv Sena are also coming out to appeal to the supporters to gather in large numbers under the campaign of the hashtag that they say is support Sonam Wangchuk. So that seems to be a development that is now coming to light from Mumbai. In Dadar, what is being said that this protest is now being planned and it will be spearheaded on part of the UBD faction of the Shiv Sena. However, it doesn't any talk of, so to say the least, as far as any hunger strike is concerned. But however, the situation in the national capital that changed, because after Sonam Wangchuk, Abhijit Dipke took up the responsibility to continue with the hunger strike. But Sonam Wangchuk, who has been shifted to the hospital there, his family is with him. However, his medical condition does require constant monitoring and observation. But for now, he's said to be in a stable condition with his vital parameters also reported to be about normal. But the opposition is coming out to condemn this move. They have been calling this move to be coercive as well, and coming out to say that this seems to be turning into a police state. Let's connect with Paras on this. So Paras, UBD faction of the Shiv Sena now extending the support with this protest call that has been made in Mumbai today.
Rightly said, the Shiv Sena UBD camp is going to support Sonam Wangchuk, and they are going to protest at Shivtits today. This will be a very important phase of this entire protest which has been done by Sonam Wangchuk. Now that Shiv Sena is also supporting, we had seen that many other leaders were supporting this protest. Yesterday, Sonam Wangchuk was taken to the hospital as he was not feeling good, and that's why the Delhi police went at the spot, Jantar Mantar, and from there he was taken to the hospital. Now there are many things which has came into light, as many of the parties are protesting against how Sonam Wangchuk was taken to the hospital. Now Shiv Sena UBD camp is also planning to do and protest today at 4 o'clock in the evening in this entire matter. They are going to give support to Sonam Wangchuk, as Sonam Wangchuk is fasting for more than 20 days now, and his only wish and request is that to take resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan in this entire matter. So now Shiv Sena is also protesting, and they will protest at 4 p.m. today in this entire matter.
All right. Extending the support, we are now looking at a protest that is now being planned on part of the Shiv Sena UBD faction today, and that's going to happen in Mumbai at around 4 p.m. In the meantime, thank you, Paras, for that update.